My name is Katie James, and I'm the Graduate Secretary for the Department of Forestry. And I'm just here to talk a little bit about the graduate program and kind of what we have to offer in the Department of Forestry. Share my screen. So I work closely with the students through the application and admission process, getting oriented in the program and all the way through degree conferral. What we have here is a diagram to represent some of the programs in forestry. This might not be the first thing that you think of when you think of forestry. The first thing that comes to mind for most is a logger in a plaid shirt with an axe. We do a lot more than that throughout the department, but certainly in our grad programs. Trees and forests touch all aspects of our lives, from the air that we breathe and the water we drink to the green spaces in our cities, represented here in urban and community, our spiritual, mental, and physical health, and of course, the structures that we live in. Our graduate students that are training and advancing knowledge across the areas that are pictured here. Many of them are working across multiple areas, and our graduate students work closely with their faculty mentors who help guide them through all aspects of their program. This is a table which shows the faculty in the Department of Forestry, and each of the icons indicates which broad areas of expertise each faculty has experience in. The main thing to take away from this is that most faculty are working across multiple disciplines within forestry, and that really reflects the complexity of the environmental problems we face as a society that our faculty and graduate students are working on. We have two main degree tracks, a Master of Science and a PhD. Within the master's program, we have two separate tracks. One is a professional track and one is a research intensive track. The students who pursue the professional track are usually seeking employment within an agency such as the Department of Natural Resources or the Forest Service. Often they have bachelor's in a subject other than forestry. It's more focused on coursework and a professional internship-oriented master's program. We have our research intensive master's and our PhD in forestry. These graduate students are starting out as apprentices with their faculty mentors. They are working through and conducting original and important research that is contributing to all these areas of our mission. If you're unsure of whether you should do a master's or a PhD, I strongly encourage you to reach out to David Rothstein, our Director of Graduate Studies, who can talk through that with you. And now here's just some contact information to be able to reach David or myself. Thank you.